But I did hear that call on the radio with my own ears. Yes, it was immediately drowned out by the static. But I had heard it. Which means that somewhere out there, under the skies, there's still a habitable place. We're not doomed to live the rest of our lives underground. Still, nobody believes me.
I say we all just off ourselves here quietly. I have no idea really. I don't think anyone does. But hey, at least they're trying.
Yes. If not them, then who?
Donna, I told you 100 times already. You must come back to Polis.
Oh, I can't believe my eyes! Artyom, you're alright. You gave us a scare, brother.
Artyom! How are you, friend? I see you,
Pardon me, gentlemen, give way.
This calls for a celebration. Few more scars and you will be completely irresistible to any woman. Speaking of which,
Alyosha,
how are you?
Would you just stop crowding him?
Brother,
back, Artyom. Привет, Doctor.
You're all dismissed. I give you 2 hours, people.
Oh, it's official.
I knew it. So I brought something.
And here we go again. Please, let's not repeat the last
Hold
time.
on, Artyom. And there's also those damn things. Calling all the time. Let's go home, dear, please. Don't you think I'd also love to live on an ocean beach or in a green forest? But what good are these fantasies in a silent world? Silent, Artyom? Because it's dead. We took our time. Time to replace our filters. Move it. We don't need any extra radiation, darling. Oh, Father will kill me if he finds out I went out with you. Twice if he learns we've been to a Hansa off-limit zone. This is how it looks now. Imagine how the rest of the world looks. There's just no way anything can live up here but monsters. Look, maybe you should come back to the order. We'll move to Polis. Dad says he'll arrange a flat for us. Because if not us, then who? A flat with a kitchen and a shower. Let's go in turns here. It's not stable enough. Careful. At least it held. Well, I'd say we're out of the woods. Whoa, hear that? Did you hear that? Again! Watchman! Are you alright? They probably heard us coming down from the roof and decided to ambush us. The beasts are getting smarter. Let's pick up the pace. Now the whole area knows we're here. lucky the mutants hate each other as much as they hate us. I really don't get why this zone is off limits to stalkers. The radiation and beasts are nothing special. So, the pack is here. So, do we turn this place into Thermopylae, or do we let them pass? Wait it out. Looks like that was all of them. I'm glad they didn't notice us. That was a large pack. Oh, is this why the zone is off limits? I mean...
Kill those bastards. Gotta get out of here. This is what... We're going under, Mason.
Sharp, Mason, they're out there.
Dead ahead. Take cover. Sergeant Woods is very capable. You have chosen your men well, Mason. I will move to high ground. Look for Krashenko's compound.
Understood. Stay close, Victor.
Lima 9er X-ray. This is Whiskey. You out there?
Yeah, Whiskey, go.
Woods. Thought we lost you in that shop. What's the new plan?
You clear the southeast perimeter. It means the rally point.
Roger. Whiskey on the way. Over. Glad you're still in the game, Woods.
Weapons free! Your eyes open to that CPU! Keep your hands down! Let's go, Mason! On me! Area clear! Mason, get position! Nice work, Mason! Take those bastards out! Contact on the roof! Swap hole! Spider hole! Dead ahead! We're gonna need this spider hole! Contact down! He's down! He's dead!
There's been an attack. I need help immediately. Tigers are attacking. Civilians.
I read you. Where's your location?
Sending you the coordinates now. Please, hurry. They're circling and closing in fast.
I'm on my way.
The following is an announcement from the Ministry of Communication. Radio towers in Iraq are the sole property of pagan people. Tampering with these towers is a serious offense. If you witness anyone attempting to scale a radio tower, you should notify your
once.
Is it normal for tigers to hunt in a pack like this?
It's a street, yard, not a pack. And no, they've been poisoned by the runoff from the products Lure uses to process heroin. It's fucked with their brains. I'm not afraid. Not afraid, I'm not afraid. Tiger! Moving now!
Ajay, my friend.
It's hard to see where they're coming from.
Use your ears. You should be able to hear them before you see them. Tiger! Look out!
It's like nothing scares them. They just keep running toward us.
Try the molotovs. I haven't met a tiger yet who can take fire. Tiger!
I don't think they're coming back for a while.
And now I can get these campers patched up. That is close. What the hell? Haram Zada back away! That doesn't sound